deserves our red carpet welcome to show how much we are affectionate and fortunate in having him. I request Selvi G.Rubashri of third year ECE department to welcome the gathering.
Our beloved correspondent, Honorable Chief Guest, respected our well-wisher, respected principal, deputies from various departments and students friends. Very good morning to all. It gives me great pleasure to welcome every one of you to our department of ECE conduct the online webinar on problems solving techniques in mathematics. With blessings of our founder, Vidya Guru Sir. First, I have a great honor to welcome our beloved Correspondent Madam, Bharat, Shiromani, Dr.Vasantha for her endless encouragement support for all our department activities. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I heartily welcome to our today's guest speaker, Dr. Senior Lieutenant P. GUNASEKAR.T, Rangarajan, Dr.Sagunthala, R&D Institution of Science and Technology, Avadi, Chennai. I welcome you, sir. A heartily welcome to our well-wisher through M.V.Deivasigamani, Sree Erode for their constant support and guidance. I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Dr.M.Ramesh, who guide us to make this function a great success. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our HOD, R. Mohan, sir, Assistant Professor, EC Department, who supports to organize this function. I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. G.Rubashri, sir, Professor of EC Department, Program Coordinator G. Vidya, Assistant Professor, Program Organizer A.P.GOBENATH, sir, Assistant Professor of EC Department, and I welcome all other teaching and non-teaching faculty members, various department secretaries, association coordinators, and students. I welcome you all. Once again, I welcome to all of you. Thank you.
The road to success is not easy to navigate, but with hard work, dedication, and passion, it is possible to achieve the dream. One such person who achieved her dreams is none other than our beloved correspondent, Bharat Vidya Shiromani, Dr.Vasantha Sudhanandhen ma'am. May I have the honor of inviting her to deliver the presidential address. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember you have within you the strength, the patience and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Now I invite our respected principal, Dr.M.Ramesh to offer his presentation.
Sir. சரிங்க சார். ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். சரிங்க சார், ஓகே சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். கண்ணா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். நான் பிரின்சிபல் சார் வரல, நீங்க அடுத்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Now I would like to invite Selvi.R.Sathyavani of 3rd ECE department to give the chief guest introduction.
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Senior Lieutenant P. GUNASEKAR Sir, Associate Professor and Associate NCC Officer, Weltec Rangarajan, Dr.Sagunthala, R&D Institution of Science and Technology, Avadi, Chennai. His contributions toward our society are: he finished the BSc Mathematics in TK Government Arts College, Virudhachalam. Later, he completed MSc Mathematics Tamil Medium in Tamil University, Tanjavur, and English Medium in R.THAMIZHARASAN College, Chennai. After he completed BS in the major of Mathematics in Alvin College of Education, Chennai. After that, he completed MPhil in Functional Analysis in Pachappas College, Chennai, and PhD in the field of Differential Equations in Karanga University. He had a teaching experience in Weltec University, Chennai, and VIT University, Vellore as an associate professor and associate NCC officer. He had working experience in Kalingan Karnataka Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, Aringer Anna Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, as an associate professor. He worked as an associate NCC officer, IQAC committee member, MBA coordinator, and also took part in various exam coordinator. He also plays his role in editor and reviewer of the reputed journals and also many. As a resource person, in webinars and workshops, he shared his knowledge on the topic of unity and peace on observance in the Rajagopal Polytechnic College, Kudiyatam, and he had taken webinars on the MATLAB-oriented topics in various colleges. And he has knowledge in MATLAB, Scilab, ORLab, SPSS, and also various programming languages. And like Python basic differential equations for engineers, and also he had completed various courses through online mode. He had doctoral research in Department of Mathematics and Humanities and also pursued in MPhil in fixed point theory. His area of research, he undergoes research in differential equations and control theory. His research guidance, with the help of his guidance, many of the members completed and currently doing their research in the different areas. His journals, he published solving assignment problem on fuzzy environment by using new ranking technique in triangular fuzzy number. In the Journal of Algebraic Statistics, like this, he published around 52 journals in various fields. Awards. He received Best Teacher Award, Research Award, and Best Faculty Awards in various colleges.
Thank you, Satyavani. There is a personality who have graced this occasion with his presence amidst his students, and he is no ordinary man. His long service shows his loyalty and dedication in his work. His broad knowledge and wisdom has won him laurels. We are really privileged to have such a great person as our chief guest. May I request Dr. Senior Lieutenant GUNASEKAR.T, Associate Professor and Associate NCC Officer, Weltech Rangarajan, Dr. Sagunthala, R&D, Institution of Science and Technology, Avadi, Chennai.
Yeah, good morning. I'm audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning to all. First of all, I thanks to the management and the administrators who giving me the opportunity to give a webinar entitled Webinar on Problem Solving Techniques Using MATLAB. Introduction, myself, Dr. T. GUNASEKAR. She given much. Just to give the introduction about the topic. What is MATLAB? MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory. MATLAB is a high-performance language for technical computing. It's integrated computing, visualization, and programming environment. MATLAB is a modern programming language environment. It has sophisticated data structures and built-in editing and debugging tools and support object-oriented programming. This factor makes MATLAB an excellent tool for teaching and research. MATLAB is an interactive program for numerical computation and data visualization, which along with the programming capabilities provides a very useful tool for almost all areas of science and technology. MATLAB has various windows like command window, command history, workforce, current directory, help browser, start button. How to start the MATLAB? Now, MATLAB, it is not a free version, it is a paid version. So you have to activate it in your institution or any institution is activated, you can collaborate with them. So just to install the software, and after that, the like PDF software like that only, it will be icon will be displayed in the command window. You can double click the MATLAB icon, then you start the windows. This like that will open. So the command window, current directory, workspace, these are the major windows are acting in the MATLAB application. So where we are used in MATLAB now, aircraft defense, robotics, automotive, communications, biotech, paramedical and medical, electronics, industrial automation and machinery, utilities and energy, computers, financial, etc. MATLAB is a calculator. We can able to do for all the calculation by using MATLAB. I will give some demonstration, and also MATLAB we can use for in online. This is the offline software MATLAB, offline. I use this one is offline, and this one also I used for online. For online mode, my window is visible now. Online mode.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a very high GP, so it will be going for very slowly only.
Excuse me, sir. Voice is breaking, sir.
Now I am audible?
Yeah, yes, sir. Clear, sir. It's clear.
Yeah, B is equal to 20. Then end I given semicolon, no, the value will not display again. B is equal to 20. Before that, A is equal to 10 I given, but end I am not giving semicolon. Means it will be displayed. So now hiding the value, but B is stored. Now I am giving for addition. A plus B. A plus B. A plus B is 30. And it is a double spacing coming now. If I want to give single spacing now, we'll give for format compact command. Now I am audible, sir.
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Format compact. Format compact. Just enter. Now now I want subtract A minus B. A minus B value is minus 10. A divide B. Value is 0.5. And A star B. A star B multiplication of the values. 200 and A square. A cap 2. A cap 2. You want A power 5. A power 5. Power 5 power. So it is like calculator. We can able to do in the command window itself. I think you understand about the arithmetic operators, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. These are the things only I discussed now, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now variable, how to use the variable. Variable you can give for, you can even create a variable, radius equal to 4, r equal to, like before I created my a is equal to b is equal to, that is called variable. But we should avoid to give our variable as a name of inbuilt function, that is inbuilt functions. And the mean, square root, SQRT. So like that you don't give for a variable name. So because already many inbuilt names are there that I will discuss now. And also avoid the length of the character is variable names must begin with letter only, not started in the number. Variable, creating variable, begin the names only, letters only. Names can include any combination of letters, numbers or underscore, anything. Maximum length of the variable is 63 characters only. If you not give for more than 63 characters. If you give for 64 characters, then will not accept. And also MATLAB is a sensitive. Capital A and small a is different only, the variable. So you will not take for capital A equal to small a. And also you can avoid to give for I, J, 5. I is equal to square root of minus 1. We'll take I. We'll display it. SQRT of minus 1. Yes, SQRT of minus 1. Minus 1 is I dot J. 0.00 plus or round answer. Round the value. Round answer. Round of value. Second same only given. 0. That is 1.00 I means for I. That is square root of minus 1. So we should avoid to give for this inbuilt I, J, pi. Pi means what? A pi. 3.141. So this is already stored in the MATLAB. So we should avoid to give this such of values. And also you can do not give a name as here, length, character, size, plot, break, cos, log, etc. Many inbuilt functions are there. Some useful MATLAB inbuilt functions are there. I will say what are the inbuilt functions are there in MATLAB. So the cosine function, sine function, tangent, tan, cot, like that only. Cosine function is cos, sine function is sine, tangent function is tan, a cos, or cosine, or sine, SQRT, log 10, absolute value, sine, maximum, max, min, seal, floor, round, remainder, and angle, conjugate. So these already inbuilt functions are there. We should avoid to give this name as a variable name. And also while saving the program, you should avoid this kind of names. And what is the meaning of clear all CLC? Clear means when I clear all the variable. Clear AB now, only clear the AB variable only. CLC means clear the command window. I and j is called for root of -1 and pi is called for 3.1 for that I demonstrated. Now I say about the clear CLC clear all. Now I am giving look out here. Just I am giving CLC. Just I am giving CLC. Clear the command window. I am giving now clear A. Clear A. Only A variable. Here cleared A variables. This workspace clear. And I clear all I am giving. Clear all the variables. Clear what are the variables are there. Every variables must be cleared. Slow system slow. Okay, I will use here. Clear all. Clear all the variables. CLC clear the command window. Okay. So this is the meaning of this slide. Vectors. If it is A is equal to only one value, we can create only one value. But A stored for more than one value, we can create a vector. For example, A is equal to A stored for 1 to 5, and default we can give. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 1 to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose A is equal to 1 to 10 you want. You can give for 1 to 10. More than one value. A stored for more than one value. Like that also we can able to give, and like a vector also we can able to create a vector also. 1, 2, or 2, or space which is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this also we can able to create. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a very difficult now typing all the value. Just you can give for A is equal to 1 to 10. And sir, default it will take for 1 to 10. And you want increment 2 to increment. For example, B I am taking B is equal to 0 to 8, 0 to 10. B is equal to 0 to increment is 2 colon 10. 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you want to increase 3 is equal to 1 to 3 increment. I need for 15. Just enter. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 not there. That is bound only given. 1 is starting point, ending point is 15. So before 15 any number is there, we can add. Suppose D is equal to, you can take D is equal to 0 to 15. Just enter. 0 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. Like that we can create a vector. So this is the meaning of this slide. And the format short to format long. Format short means what? Now default will receive for 4 decimal places. Format long, many decimal places will be displayed. Next, linspace. Before that, starting point, ending point is given. The linspace meaning is what? Now we can give for starting point, ending point. How many space interval you want? So linspace of 1 to 10. Only one value only I want. So that is a 10th value. So I want a linspace of 1 to 10. I want 5 values. 5 equal, that is numerical integration we are using now. 5 sub-intervals. So like that we can give for 5 sub-intervals. Equal sub-interval 1, 3.25, then 5.5. That is 2.25, 2 spaces. Equally split spaces from 1 to 10. 5 intervals. Suppose 1 to 10 you want 10 interval means 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So likewise, you can create for it is 1 to 10 means easily we can type. It is 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, 1 to 1 lakh is there. How to create? So just to give a command. For example, linspace of 1 to 1000. 1 to 1000. I want for 500 sub-intervals. Just click it. We'll get the values. Very simple. Fraction of second. We'll get the values. Understand? Linspace meaning. So we not able to type this many values now, just to create a vector by using linspace command. Next slide. Scalar. You know scalar matrix vector. That is meant for example, A is equal to 20. That is called a scalar. If you want to type the column matrix, row matrix, I will type now. For example, I will create one 3 by 3 matrix. How to create a matrix? Then you know very well for what is row matrix, what is column matrix. This is Clear the exchange, CLC. I'll create now row matrix. For example, first one row, three column, A is equal to, open the set bracket, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 3. Whether you can use comma or space. This is a row matrix, one row matrix. You want to create column matrix. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. First column, 4, whether give semicolon next row, 5, semicolon 6, 4, 5, 6, enter. But semicolon indicates next row. Another semicolon indicates another row, 4, 5, 6. This is a row matrix, this is a column matrix. And I will create one 2 by 2 matrix. C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to first row, 3 for second row. C is equal to 1 space or comma, 2 next row semicolon, 3 space 4. Close the bracket. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Creation of the matrix. Then I will create one 3 by 3 matrix. D is equal to 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 4 space 5 space or commas game only 6 7 space 8 space 9. Close the bracket. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. You understand how to create a matrix. 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Likewise, you can create for environment. Without row matrix. The sum of the value. I'll create one vector. For example, I'm creating one 10 student mark in the class. Here all the variable. Let's see. Here all. Okay. Now I am using A is equal to 10 set of marks, 10 student marks. A is equal to one student got 85, another student got 80, another student got 90, another student got 95, another student got 100, another student got 58, another student got 68, another student got 95, another student got 100, another student got 95. How many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 is there. Now, just to type it. A is equal to this. Now, what is the minimum mark of how many student mark I am checking? I am checking length of A. How many values are there? Length of A. 10 values are there. And what is the minimum mark? Minimum mark in this 10 student. Minimum of A. Minimum value. The minimum mark is 58. What is the maximum mark? Maximum of A. Maximum A is what? 100. What is the minimum, maximum? What is the mean? Mean of A. Mean value of A. 86.6. That is average. Average is equal to what? Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by number of values. Sum of A divided by length of A. Length of A. Just enter. Image is equal to 86.6. That is using formula. We know now. Sum of all the data divided by number of data. X bar. Median value. What is the median value? Median of A. Median is 92. What is the mode of A? Mode of A. Okay. Like that mean, median, mode. Standard deviation you want it. STD of A. Standard deviation of A. You get 14.11. What is the variance? Variance of A. VAR of A. Variance of A. 199.9. 15 point this. Variance of A. Any doubt? Any doubt? These are the basic operator. Mean, median, mode. Length, maximum value, minimum value. What is the product of value? Product of all the value. We want to calculate harmonic mean, arithmetic mean. That also we can able to calculate. Product of A. Product of A. Product of all the values. 2.06. Product of A. Product of all the value into e power 19. This is very big data now. That is number like that it will come. Next, sign effect. Okay, that's next. I will say about the sign this value. And then 1 minute. Find using find command. Find a greater than you want greater than 70 distinction mark. Greater than 70, greater than or equal to 75. It is equal to 75. Who are getting distinction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. That is what meaning now. The first to buy. So this is the meaning is what now? First to buy, second student, third student, fourth student, fifth student. The sixth student, seventh student is not getting 75. Understand also? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 not there. 8, 9, 10. So this all the student, the 10 student out of 10 student, first student mark, second student, third student, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10 only. Distinction, the rest of the 6, 7 is not a distinction. So this is the meaning. If you want to fail, you can check it fail. Find less than 50. Less than 50. Find A less than 50. A less than 50. You can count. Check it. No one is there. No one is there. 1 into 0. 0. No one is there. 1 into 0 is 0. No one there. All pass. You need to find command. And for example, small a is equal to -1, -5, 0.5, -2.5, -4.8, 4.8, -4.8, -3.2, 5.3, 6.5, like that some values are there. This is A value. A is equal to these values. Now I am checking sign of A. Sign of A. This is what small a. Sign of small a. So what is the meaning of sign of small a now? SIGN. Mistake. Sign of A. So -1, 1, -1, 1. So what is the meaning of this now? So A value, negative value now, -1 will come. A value positive now, +1 will come. That is sign. So this meaning of this sign. And find fix ceiling floor. I'll tell now. What is the meaning of seal? Words seal of A. Ceiling. Ceiling of A. Ceiling of small a. Ceiling of small a. So now look out here. What is A? A is what now? -1. -1 is what? -1 towards positive is what? -1 only. 0.5 towards positive means what? 1. Towards plus infinity. And -2.5. Next integer is what? -2. So like that. And the floor means towards. The ceiling means what? Upper. Next integer. Floor means what? Previous integer. Floor of A. Floor of A. Previous integer. This value like that we can give floor sale fixed. This is the command. Next sale round up means what now? Round up value will get. Now I'll give round up command also. Round A. 0.5 and above now will round up like that. Round up values. A value round up. What is A? A is this value. -1 round up is -1 only. -0.5 round up is 0.1 next integer. -2.5 next integer is -3. And the -4.8 is -5. -3 is -3.2. -3.2 only now. 5.3. 6.5 is 7. So like the round up. 0.5 and above the next integer. Okay. Sort. Ascending order and descending order. If you want to simply give G sort na ascending order, simply give sort descending, descending order will get. You want, suppose you want to calculate median, now write the values in ascending order. Now, sort A, you will get ascending order. And also sort A, you will give descent command inside the quotation descent. Inside quotation ESE and you want descending order. Descending order from higher number to small number. Ascending order, descending order. I will create the matrix, already created the matrix. Now I'll demonstrate about the matrix operations. For example, A is equal to this matrix. Here all. Clear means clearing all the variables. CLC means clearing the command window. I will create a matrix A. A is equal to this matrix. Now also I'm creating one more 3x3 matrix B. This is the B matrix. Enter a given semicolon, value will not display. And C matrix. This is the matrix C. C matrix into a given semicolon. Now matrix operation A plus B. A plus B. A minus B. A minus B. Subtraction of two matrix. A star B. Multiplication of two matrix. Understand? I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Now you want a characteristic polynomial now. P-Y-L-Y. Poly of A. Poly of A. P is equal to, I'm using P is equal to poly of A. Characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. That is the meaning of this word now. 1 into lambda cube minus 4 into lambda square plus 5 into lambda minus 2, which is equal to 0. That is a characteristic formula. Only the coefficient will display. And they want to verify this matrix is verify the Kelly-Hamilton theorem. Whether this matrix is stable. What is the statement of Kelly-Hamilton theorem? Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So we'll verify the Kelly-Hamilton theorem. Just to use a command. Kelly-Hamilton theorem, which is equal to polyvalma. P-O-L-Y P-A-L polyvalma P, A. P, polyvalma P, A. P, the matrix A. Just enter. 0, 0, 0. Verify the Kelly-Hamilton. This is a MATLAB syntax for verification of Kelly-Hamilton theorem. Any doubt? Verification of Kelly-Hamilton theorem. Just to use only one command. Polyvalma P, A. P is what? Characteristic polynomial. And what is the eigenvalue of the matrix A? EIG of A. Eigenvalue of the matrix A. 2, 1, 1. What is the eigenvector of the matrix? X, P, which is equal to EIG of A. X is stored for eigenvector. The eigenvector 1, 0.7071, 0.7071, and x2, first column is x1, second column is x2, third column is x3, and the diagonal, that is a diagonal matrix, diagonalization. 2, 1, 1, diagonal entries are 0. Diagonalize the matrix. Next, we check it whether matrix is symmetric or non-symmetric, you can check it. So what is A here? A is equal to 3, 0. A is non-symmetric matrix. Yes or no? A is non-symmetric. 0, the diagonal, these entries are not equal. I'll check it once. Symmetric or non-symmetric, I'll check. A is equal to A. What is A? A is equal to this matrix. A dash, transpose of the matrix, just A dash. Check it. 3, 0, minus 1. This is 3, 0, 2. It is not equal to symmetrics. A not equal to A dash. It is a non-symmetric matrix. The diagonalization, the non-symmetric matrix will use for similarity transformation. What I mean by similarity transformation? Similarity transformation is nothing but from the first step one is for take the matrix A. Step 2, find the characteristic polynomial. Step 3, find the eigenvalue. Step 4, find the eigenvector. Step 5, form the model matrix. Then model matrix, that is inverse of the model matrix into the corresponding matrix into the model matrix. Then we'll get diagonal entries. Now model matrix what here X. Model matrix what here X. X is the directly take the model matrix. Understand? Inverse of X star A star X we can take. Inverse of X. Again V of inverse of the matrix you want that again V of the matrix A. Inverse of the matrix. Look at A inverse matrix. And now what is the diagonalization? Similarity transformation. Similarity it is equal to inverse of the model matrix X star A star X. And also you can give it the round itself, round off command. We'll get for round off value. The diagonal matrix. It is a similarity transformation. Any doubts are similarity transformation, inverse of the model matrix star A star X. So you get for diagonal entry. When if I give any doubt, if round up not remove round up now, the 2.00, 1.00 like that will get. You'll get like a 2.00, 1.00. So I removed the given round up now, the round up value will get. This value will get. That's why I give a round up. Round up integers. Any doubt? Similarity transformation. Now check on B matrix is symmetric or not symmetric. Check. B is equal to minus 3 minus 1 1. I think it is symmetric. And B dash I'll check. B equal to B dash. Oh yes, 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 1 minus 1 3. It is a symmetric matrix only. The symmetric matrix will go for diagonalization, the orthogonal reduction. Now before that, we have to find the EAG of x comma d. That is I'll use for here x1 comma d1 x1 comma d1, which is equal to EAG of d. So x1 stood for eigenvector of the matrix B, d1 for diagonalization of the matrix. Now I am checking the orthogonal transformation. It is a symmetric matrix we use for orthogonal reduction, which is equal to the symmetric matrix eigenvectors are orthogonal to each other. So directly you can take x1 transpose dx x1 s star d star x1. So we'll get diagonal matrix. So before that we'll give a round off. We'll get 2 3 6 diagonal entries. Any doubt? Orthogonal reduction. So likewise we can able to do for many. What is the trace of here? Trace of the matrix here. Some of the diagonal entries. What is the rank of A? Rank of the matrix. Just to give rank of A. Rank of the matrix. Any other things are there in matrix, sir? I will explain. Anybody asking? Anybody interacting? You want anything in matrix? If you have any doubt, you can ask in the command help browser is there in the MATLAB help icon is there. Just you can click it this help and search. You will get for many command related to. Then you will get easily help command. You know related. You want a mean now. Just you give mean of. It will give for MATLAB commands. It will be displaying here help interest. Anybody? Any matrix operation you want? Any other than this? Any matrix operation you want? Participants? Any other matrix operations? No. Eigenvalue, roots, polynomial, eigenvectors, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, rank, inverse, and determinant of A. Determinant. You want to find the determinant value. Determinant of A, T of A. Determinant of A. 2. Determinant. Size, what is the size? Size of the matrix B. You check it. 3 by 3. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Size, poly, size, trace, determinant, inverse, everything I covered, I think. Any doubt? participants, and listen, some elementary operation inbuilt in MATLAB is there. So you want to create for identity matrix, UAE of identity matrix, UAE of, you don't need to type for that all the identity matrix, UAE of 2 by 3 I am given, or 4 by 3 I am given, 4 by 3 I am giving, 4 rows, 3 columns, the diagonal entries are 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, the remaining are 0. Understand? If you want square matrix identity matrix, you want just UAE of 3 enough, 3 by 3 square matrix will get identity matrix. You want the UAE of 5 by 5 matrix, no? Just to give a 5. You will get 5 by 5 identity matrix. Any doubt? You want random matrix. Random of 3 rows, 4 columns. Any value you can store it now. 3, 4. Random matrix. Randomly they choose the matrix. 3 by 4. 3 rows, 4 columns. And you want random of 5 rows, n columns. 5 rows, 6 columns. 5 rows, 6 columns. Random matrix. Randomly MATLAB will distribute the values. This is a random matrix. Random and ones of diagonals of random is of zero matrix. You want to create a zero matrix now. Zeros of just to then give 2. 2 by 2 matrix 0 will get. Zeros of we can give for 4. 0 matrix for 4 by 4. And 4 rows, 3 columns you want now. 4, 3. First number indicates row, second number indicates column. 4 rows, 3 columns, 0 by 0 matrix. Any doubts or creation of matrix? 0 of 4 by 3. 4 rows, 3 columns. Any doubt? 0 is a diagonal matrix like random matrix. Next, lint space. That one I discussed already in identity matrix. This already discussed. Size of the matrix. Now, additional command, substitute command. This easy only. Just to give for y replace any value, you can give directly this. Next, solving the linear equation. Solving the system of linear equation. By how to, so what is the system of equation is there? How to solve this? Many methods are there. I will list out here some methods. So what is our matrix? Our variable is what now? Ax is equal to b. A matrix is a coefficient matrix. First row is 1, 2, 3. Second row 4, 5, 6. Third row 7, 8, 0. And the b matrix is column matrix 1, 1, 1. Understand? Any doubt? It is of the form Ax plus b. Now this is A, this is B. This is the coding. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8. Here something 7, 8, 9. Here typical error is there. 7, 8, 0. 7, 8, 0. Now listen. This is the matrix A now. I'm clearing all the values. Clear all. Clear the command on the CLC. Now what is the matrix A? A is equal to 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 4 space 5 space 6 semicolon 7 space 8 space 0 enter. This is a matrix. I will not use it for a bracket. A matrix. Creation of matrix. How to create a matrix? Inside the square bracket. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. This matrix A. The B matrix is what? Column matrix 1. B is equal to 1 semicolon 1 semicolon 1. The B matrix. What is the rule I told? X is equal to X is a solution inverse of A star B. Inverse of A star B. Solving the system of equation. X is equal to X is a solution. X is equal to inverse of A or the coefficient matrix RHS. The solution is -1, 1, 0. And also backslash method is there. A slash B. A slash B. You will get a value. That is also solution. This is one method. And another one method is there. You can give an input as a equation. It's like that. Equation 1 is the first equation, this second equation, this third equation. Then use x, y, z equal to solve using solver, MATLAB solver. solve equal to equation 1, comma, equation 2, comma, equation 3. Using this. Next, we go for solving algebraic equation. So, this is one polynomial. How to solve this polynomial? I will explain. X equal to x square. So, MATLAB will not support directly x power 2, not support. If square is there, you can use for cap summon, and 7x you can use for star. Multiplication did not accept. Suppose instead of this, this one is displaying this, and suppose this value, if I try to this simply 7x, now it will not work out. Error will come. The 7x is not support. Understand? So you have to do any multiplication, use star. Any power you can use cap, plus, minus, everything you have to use it. That is equal to this. And the solve widget solution. You want solution of this solve widget. Get a solution. All widgets equal to it's equal to this. Again this. So using power is incorrect. So it is a numerical dot using. Okay. Okay. They are giving P is there now. How to find the poly? If you type this like that, P is equal to polynomial. P is equal to polynomial. You can use it like that. P is equal to 1 minus, that is x square minus 5x plus 6. I want the roots of P. Roots. This is also one more way. Roots of P. 3, 2. The polynomial you can choose for only P is equal to only the coefficients. X square minus 5x plus 6. And the roots of P. If P given, we can make a polynomial also possible there. Roots of P. The poly of 1 minute. Roots I will use for R equal to roots of P I will use. R equal to roots of P. And the poly of R I will give. Poly of R. We'll get at the polynomial. If roots are given now, we can make a polynomial. If polynomial given, we can make a roots. We can find the roots of the possibilities here. By using MATLAB fraction of second. I will go for plotting of curves. Plotting of a 2D plot, 3D plot. So the plotting we can able to make for whether line or double line or whether semicolon or dot 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 or line and dot we can able to make. And also color, you want the red color, you want the green color, you want blue color, you want cyan color, magenta color, yellow color, black color, white color, everything you can able to make. So these are the colors are available in MATLAB for lines and the graphs. And also you can want a design that my line is star 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 I want. My line is plus plus plus, my line is circle circle, my line is dot dot dot, my line is cross cross, my line is triangle, my line is the triangle and the upper triangle, down triangle, and also square, diamond. This later I will use to demonstrate these things. I will come. Now I will take just a simple graph. I will take this one. If there is a creation of window M file, if you want to run any program, this is command window. Is drawback is that we cannot able to save, but it will run in the editor window. You can click here, the new file. Just plus, you get new editor window. Will get. Just you can able to write a program editor window only because save and run is possible there here. This one. This is the meaning x is equal to 0 to 2 by pi by 100 value. So we can use for any values. I will use for pi by 10. I will use pi by 10. So X what will display? I will run it. Here I click here run button. Then they'll ask for save. Wherever you have to save, where they are asked, then you can. I will give for yes the same untitled same names only. So we'll get the plottings. The plot window will come immediately. This is a plot window. This is a plot window. X is equal to. If you want to know what is the value of X, just you can type it. X enter. Look at X is stored for this many values. 0, 0.31, 3 point, like that, like that, like that. So 6, 2 pi is 1. Up to 6 pi, 3.12 now, 3.28. Up to this value. If you type here 0 to pi by 10, instead of pi by 10, you can do for pi by 5. Pi by 5. Then you run it, you get the values. Just like that. Here X is type it now. What is the values of X? 0, 0.611, like that. Or you can give for any values like here giving now. This value also you can give X equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y is equal to this, like that also you can able to give. And if you want the command is what now plot of X comma Y. X is stored for this. What is Y value? Y just type it Y. Y is stored for this values. Just plotting X and Y. X equal to 0 to 2 pi. Y is equal to the maximum of value is what there? 0.95 minus 0.95 minus 90 plus not 1. That is in between of minus 1 to plus 1 only values. Understand? That is sine curve. X label is what this curve. You can give the name. X is 0 to 2 pi. Y is sine X curve. Sine of X curve. Title of the graph plot sine function. Understand? That is we are only giving these names. So what are them? Just I am giving for X axis. X axis. X axis. So what I give that will display here. Here I am giving for this is Y axis. Y axis. Y axis. Just I am giving here command for just graph. I will run the program. That will be displayed here. Yeah, X axis, Y axis. What we have to give in the name label. So we can give title of the what title we are only giving. Only the input is what X, Y, and the command is what plot of X comma Y. This only. Plot. Now I told now that many things are there. Plot X comma Y, comma I want red color. Red color graph. Red color graph I want. Just run it. Red color graph. Red color graph. You want another different color are there. Red color. What are the colors are there? Color. You want the green color. You want just green color, and also I want a star. G star. Star graph. G star. Just give star will come. G star. Yeah, G star. And the star with the line you want now, you can give star with the line. Star with the line. You want the diamond symbol now. G GD. GD. Green color diamond. Green color diamond will get. The diamond with the line you want now. Like that we can give for your graph. That is what decoration. What type you want? You want the cyan color, yellow color, black color, white color, everything you can able to. And this one is a diamond square. You want a square now, just you can give a GS square. Square will get square. And you want any other color? Magenta color, M I will keep. Instead of G, I will keep for M. So you will get it. This is the magenta color. Any doubt? Any doubt for drawing graph? We know the X value, Y value enough. We can whether you can give input or you can create an input output. Then you can draw X, Y. Then you can decorate this color. Just a fraction of second you will get the graphs. Any doubt for drawing graphs? So likewise, you can able to draw for one graph sheet. We can able to draw multiple graphs. Now X is stored for this value, Y stored, Y is this. Grid dot means what? That box will open. Graph sheet. Now what is this? X is equal to inverse of -10 to +10. 1000 points is needed. Now just I will run. This is the graph. We'll get. I will explain this graph now. First of all, how to X will take. -10 to +10 is our value weight, and also I will keep here. First I will keep for 5 value, then you will understand the graph. I will run. This is the value. Now I will type here X. Just X is stored for -10 to +10, 5 values. -10, -5, 0, 5, 10. 5 values only. Understand also this 5 value they graph. Now what they are doing? What they are doing now in a plot of X cos X. X cos X. Cos X is what? Cos X is cos of X. Cos of -10, cos of -5, cos of 0, cos of 5, cos of 10. And in this graph you can notate in blue color dot. And next X is cos 2X. X comma cos 2X. That is will denoted by green color. So that's why in one graph I will keep for two graphs. One graph sheet I'll make a 2 graphs. Not only 2 graphs, you can make able to do n number of graphs. You can able to comma comma comma. You can keep for 3 graph, 4 graph, 5 graph, etc. And legend command is what? The corner will display the what is the graph name. Because before the title is given, instead of title, we can use legend. And which location you want, you can give a northeast or northwest or north south or southeast. So what you want, you can give the location. And X label is X is Y label is grid element what now that running will come. That boxes will come. This is the northeast corner. That graph name cos X cos 2X. This is the northeast. That only this command. The grid element that boxes will be displaying. Now I will give, this is very small, I will give, increase the values, 500 values, I will run. Yeah, now dot coming. You want any point you want, just you can click it, this point value, X value, Y value, everything will display. Any value, any point value you want, just you can click it, the point will come. Any doubts, sir? Likewise, we can able to make a graph, more graphs in single sheet. Likewise, this graph, I'll share the PPT you can draw. And this one is what now, one graph sheet we can make up for multiple graphs. But I don't want multiple graphs in one sheet. We can split the graph to separate graph. Now you can use this command. I will explain this command. First I will run. I'm getting this graph. I will explain. First I will increase the size. Okay. I will increase the size. Now listen. So what is the meaning? I want for sin S graph, cos S graph, e power minus x graph, sin 3x graph. I want these 4 graphs I want. So I can know now 2 rows, 2 columns in one graph sheet. 2 rows, 2 columns. Subplot of. That is what now? Subplot of second row, second column. Say 2 rows, 2 column will get first graph is sin x. And the second graph is, this is say 2 rows, 2 columns, second graph is cos x. 2 rows, 2 columns, third graph is e power minus x. Not only we are giving. Suppose you want a 3 row, 3 column, you can fit. You can fit 4 row, 4 column, 4 row, 3 column, 2 row, 3 column. You can make it. First indicates the number of rows, second indicates number of column, and the third indicates what? Number, graph number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So this graph, that is the splitting this. X is equal to what? 0 to 2 pi only. This value 0 to 2 pi, 0.1 increasing, and the plot subplot come using this is a MATLAB syntax for subplot. So before that we used for plot. Now subplot now the splitting the graph sheet as a 1, 2, 3 like it splitting. Any doubt? Any doubt? I am audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
And surface by diagram. Just you can use this one. You will get a surface. Variable we must declare. What are the variables are used in the program? We must declare. This one I will hide this one. You can hide any row, you can use a percentage symbol. Now just I will run f is equal to this one 2 times x square plus y square. I want to give the surf AZ surf of f. Just I will run. I am not clearing the variable now. I will clear 1 minute. The previous also reflected here. You will see. Clear on. Well, but the CLC is clear or not given. The previous output also will display. In like that. Here on. The graph is overlooked. Yeah, this is your graph. Surface of this one. If you remove these things, you get for attractive. That is some colorful graph. Cooler. Yeah, like that. Little bit smart graph. If you want to rotate, you can rotate. Here is the rotation is there. You want to rotate. You can make it whatever direction. If you can make it. This is the part of the point you want. You can just click it. The point value will display. Okay. This is a drawing the surface. I will go for differentiation, order differentiation, partial differentiation. Just differentiation is very simple. Here on. Now I'm going for order differentiation, then I'll go for partial differentiation. Since before that we can use for sims command. Since we declare a variable, I'm using x only for order differentiation. Sim x is equal to x power 5 or 4 plus 4x cube 4 star x power 3 plus 2 times x plus 10. That's all. Y stored for this value. Differentiation of y. DIFF of y. Enough. You'll get for differentiation of y. You want differentiation of y with respect to x, so you can give x. Y with respect to x. Default method will take for x. And the differentiation of y with respect to x twice 2 times second derivative. And one more function I will take y1 equal to e power 3x exp of e power is exp of 3x 3 star x y1 equal to this exp of 3 star x differentiation of y1 with respect to x come out 4 times 4 derivative 3 cube into e power 3x. So like that, this is an order differential equation. Then we'll go for now partial derivative. Just save if command only. Here, for example, I'll take z equal since variable declare now. We'll see. They're all now since we'll use for p, q, r, s, t, x, y. These are the variables I'm going to use. Since now I will take copy paste partial differentiation. I share the slide, you can see it. You'll get easily answer. If you want any constant now, you can create the c is equal to sigma of phi, then only constant equal to 0 will get. Now since f is equal to sin phi sin st. F is equal to sin st, diff f will give. Diff f What is the answer? For DIFF. If F, S cos ST. So listen, here default variable when will choose now that X is nearby which variable? That variable only will choose P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here S and T, which one is a nearby X, T will nearby X. So default derivative with respect to T will take. Understand that? Now differentiation of F with respect to S. That is partial derivative. That's all. With respect to that is a partial derivative. If you want the ordinary derivative, partial derivative is over. Use my PPT, you can understand very easily. Partial differentiation. Just you can mention the name, which variable you want to mention. And substitute, for example, F is equal to this value, X plus Y. F is equal to this value. F is equal to this value. Substitute command instead of differentiation of F with respect to X. What is the meaning of this now? In the differentiation of F with respect to X and also X comma Y replaced by 1 comma, that is substitute command. This one meaning is what now? Differentiation of F with respect to X. That's one over. Now substitute command. Substitute in the differentiation first derivative X comma Y replaced by 1 comma 2 substitute command. Suppose no sir, I will replace 0 comma 0. You can use it 0 comma. Yes sir. You can use it 0 comma 0. You will get what is the value 1 or 0. Understand? Any doubts sir? Like that you can use for substitute command. Likewise, we can use for Jacobian matrix. You can able to calculate Jacobian of. You want Jacobian of, for example, X is equal to since RF. Jacobian, how to find Jacobian of the matrix? Jacobian matrix. Since R comma F used. Next, X is equal to R cos F, Y is equal to R sin F. This is a standard problem in mathematics 1. X is equal to R cos F, Y equal to R sin F. What is the Jacobian of this? So J1 equal to Jacobian of X comma with respect to that is Jacobian value, and also you want the determinant of this is Jacobian matrix will get. Then you want Jacobian value now is equal to determinant of J1. Determinant of J1 will get Jacobian R cos square F plus H round Jacob. Round Jacob will get R. Again same only coming in. Round off. Bracket missing. ROE and D round correct only. Something error coming, but round off value R will come. So I used now determinant or simplify what you can use it. Simplify. Instead of round you can use for simplify. You will get R. So likewise, you can go for 3 variables. Jacobians. This is 3 variable. X equal to R cos L, cos F, Y equal to R cos L sin F. This is a standard problem in engineering mathematics. You can find for Jacobian of X with respect to. Suppose 4 variable you can use for 4 variable, 5 variable, n number of variable you can able to find Jacobians. And you want a Taylor series. The Taylor series is first what is the function F? This function. You will get this. Taylor series. Just F equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x. T is equal to Taylor of F comma x. F is what the function with respect to x power 0. X order is up to 6 order you want. Just run the program. You will get output. This is a Taylor series. Taylor series. You want to simplify. You want to simplify or practically T R E T T Y set T of T now, it will be, we are writing in the notebook, now the notebook format will get 5x power 4 divided by 1458, 2x square divided by 81, 1 and also you want to simplify, you can simplify T. Simplify of T. Simplified answer will get it. Simplify answers. And out T. Again, you want to simplify na sim. So this is the common. This is for Taylor series. This is a Taylor series for two variable. This is one variable. If x power simply x only given x power 0. If you want x power 1 in powers of x minus 1, x minus 1, x 1, you can give in powers of x minus 2, not 2, 3, not 3, 4, and the order you can give it. Then after that, this is a two variable, e power x, 2x plus 3y. Just a Taylor of f you can give. We will get for three variables. Same syntax only. For here also, you want power 0, 0, power 1, 1, or power 2, 2, you can give it using this syntax. Next, integration will go integration. Integration, I will go for both single, multiple, and double and triple integration. So, what are the variables I am going to use now that I will declare? Since x, y, with that I am going to use. No. Since x, y, z. These are three variables I am going to use. Now, integration of some value of function I will take. I get the syntax is what now integration of function. What is the syntax now? Integration of function, comma, with respect to the variable dx and the lower limit, comma, upper limit. This is the syntax for integration. Now, for example, f is equal to function is equal to, I am taking x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3 star x plus 3 star x plus 2. This is a function f. And I will use the integration value I1. I1 equal to integration of function with respect to the variable. Our lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. So we'll get the values immediately. F is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Missing the unbalanced determination. Integration, let's say. Okay, 1 minute. X square plus 3x plus 2. There is not. Multiplication operation. Integration of f with respect to x only. It is mistake. I mean, integration of x square, x, comma, 1, comma, 2. Yeah, integration of x square dx is not x cube. Just I will remove this limits. What is the value you will get? X cube by 3. If you want to substitute the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 lower limit, upper limit is 3 I am using. Just I am clicking, running the program. We will get 26 by 3. Understand integration. If you want double integration now, for example, this is the syntax I used for double integration. inner variable, outer variable, inner limit, lower limit, outer variable, lower limit, outer and upper limit, integration of. This is the syntax. What is the syntax now? This single integration, this one. Multiple integration is what now? Syntax. Integration of, again integration of the function f, comma, inner lower limit, comma, inner variable upper limit, close the bracket, f, comma, inner variable, comma, this, inner variable, comma, outer variable, comma, outer variable lower limit, comma, outer variable upper limit. This is the syntax for double integration. Now, for example, I will integrate integration one value which is equal to integration of function x square plus y square or x plus y. First, with respect to x, completed, comma, with respect to y. Limit I am not giving, we'll check it. This is the value. Integration of first with respect to x, then again integrate with respect to y. This is the values. If you want to give the values, upper limit is 0 to 1, 0, 1, upper limit is y, 1, 2 values, 1, 2. Just the variable you give, limit is used, beta value, cancel the value. This one is completed with this integration of so final answer is 2. So like that you can calculate for triple integrations. I will share only PPT only now because less a lot of time. Like this you can able to calculate for triple integration. This is syntax is triple integration is this is syntax integration of function inner variable lower limit, inner upper limit, comma, middle variable with respect to middle variable, middle lower limit, middle upper limit. Then finally you go for outer variable, outer lower limit, outer variable upper limit. This is the output. Then transform. So we can use for transforms also we can able to do. Just to declare the variables, you want a Laplace transform, just to give for f equal to Laplace of the function. Only use for syntax is Laplace. For example, I want a cos t Laplace transform, f is equal to Laplace of cos t. So we'll get s by s square plus 1. And inverse Laplace transform, just to use for I Laplace. So f is equal to I'm using I Laplace of this f value will get for cos t. So likewise, you can use for Z transform, Z trans. Just you can give Z trans 2 power n. So what is the value Z by Z minus 2? Then Z trans of this Z by Z minus 2 is for 2 power n. Inverse Z trans, I Z trans. So listen, Laplace is direct Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform you can use for I Laplace. And Z transform you can use for only Z trans of the function. And if you want inverse Z transform, you can use it for I Z trans. Like this, solving the differential equation. Solving the first order differential equation. So y dash of x is equal to xy. This is my differential equation. So just you can use the solver, D solver, differential equation solver. Y is equal to just to declare the variables. Since x format compact. Format compact is what not the single line output will display. If it is not given, will give the double spacing output. So this is the solver. Our solver y is equal to D solve of dy. Different first order differential equation of dy equal to y star x. And with respect to the antibody variable is x, immediately we will get the answer. This is for the non-initiality problem. If the initialities are given, this problem initiality problem dy by dx equal to y minus x, y of 0 is equal to 2 by 3. Then we'll use, this is a solver. This is a d solve, dy of dy minus y, or this minus y goes to that side also, y minus x. And y of 0 initial condition is given with respect to the independent variable, immediately will get the answer. And suppose if you want to solve for numerical, you can use this command, OD45. The same problem, dy by dx y minus x. OD45 F is equal to, you can give the limit values 0 to 1, point to point interval x values, and 2 by 3 will get and also plot x comma y, plotting the solution. This is a numerical solution, this is an analytical solution. And this is the application of first order differential equation. Find the current I of t is a series LR or RL circuit which Henry and R ohms in the circuit. Induction is L Henry and resistance is 50 ohms. And applied voltage E is equal to 1. In the initial current is I of 0 is equal to 0. So we know very well by using the circuit theory, Kirchhoff law, we form a governing equation. First order differential L into di by dt plus R is equal to E. Divided by L will get di by dt plus R by L in time is equal to E by L. This is a first order ODE. Then use the MATLAB. This same command you can use it, you'll get the answer. It's a MATLAB code. The D server command dy plus 5y equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to. Then instead of use for y here, then title is RL circuit. The time x is the time, y label is the current. You get a solution. Likewise, we can solve the system of equations, first order equations. X dash of t is equal to x of t plus 2y of t minus z of t. Y dash of t is equal to x of t plus z of t in z. Then just you can use the command. Dx is equal to x plus 2y. Only dx is, this one is dx equal to dy is equal to dz equal to. Instead of x of t is used for x, instead of y of t is y, z of t is z. Then just you can give x, y, z equal to t solve command only. X is stored for x solution, y is stored for y solution. This is x solution, y solution. Suppose initial values are given in the problem. The same problem, suppose initial values are given, x of 0 is equal to 1, y of 0 is equal to z of 0 is equal to now. Then you can give for inits equal to inits x of 0 is equal to this initial condition you can keep here. Then we'll get our solution is final solution. This solution. If you want to plot, you can plot it. X value, y value. If you want this one for you can use for numerically now. You can use the OD45 solver. This is a F. F is our function. System of equations. This is our initial conditions, and this is our value 0 to 1 only we are taking. Initial condition x of 0, y of 0, z of 0. Initial conditions are given. Then you can drop this graph of output value OD. This is the graph for that. And likewise, you can solve for second order differential equation. Syntax is given, same syntax. Application of in LCR circuit. This one problem, find the charge and current at the time of the circuit of the figure. If R is equal to resistance is 40 volt ohm and L is 1 inductance is 1 Henry. Capacity is 6 into 10 power minus 4 farad, and the applied voltage is 100 into capacity. The initial charge and currents are both are 0. So that is what is the meaning? Q of 0 and I of 0 is equal to 0. And we use the system of equation. This is a difference equation governing equation. I use the form LCR circuit. And finally, this is a MATLAB program. This is a MATLAB program for that. This is the current and charge. You have to practice these problems. Likewise, you can solve for Fourier series syntax I given, and also numerical method also is solved for some problems I posted. You can do it. Cross elimination method, cross Jacobi methods, and Lagrange interpolation method. If two manner I will give for Lagrange interpolation. While using for loop or directly used for if it is less data, you can use directly write a program. With more than 4 data, we can able to write. If it is X value is more than 10, more than 15 minutes, we can't do. That's why I use for loops input, and this trapezoidal integration. Okay. This PPT HR you can do it. Any doubt? Any doubts, sir?
Clear, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Any doubt?
I hope the students understand clearly and clarity, sir.
Not clearly, sir. Last time going very fast.
Yes, sir. But for the time concern, you go first, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Anybody having any doubt, ask me, please. If you have any assistant or guidance, you can call me. If I know, I will tell what are the things my level. Any interaction? No interaction is there. Student also there, sir.
Yes, sir. Mainly students also there, sir.
Student, any doubt you can ask me. You can do the project using MATLAB. I will give my login ID. You can do it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Any student, you can do your project in MATLAB. I will support you. Hello?
I'm hearing, sir. I'm hearing.
You are hearing only, no one.
Everybody.
Only communication.
Not like that. Students, anyone?
No, that's sir. Yes, tell me, Bob. Yeah, Sriram, please. Sriram. And Prasant also asking doubt. Prasant. Anybody doubt? Sree, ask me. In Tamil also you can ask.
Kana உங்களுக்கு டவுட் எதனா சார்ட்ட கேட்கலாங்கண்ணா.
ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க யூஸ் பண்ணி.
Sir, I will inform, sir. Students people are hesitant to ask to you, sir. I will definitely.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
Sir, I will ask, sir. I will ask after the session, and I will give you a number, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much, Brinda ma'am. Nitishri. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time, sir. Definitely, it will reach the people, I know, sir, because third year is having MATLAB, sir. Both the triple and EC having the MATLAB, sir. They're using MATLAB, sir. The new regulation change, they replaced the MATLAB, sir. 2021 regulation for Anna University. Currently they're doing MATLAB experiments. MATLAB they're using, sir. It will reach the people and use for the people, sir. Definitely it will, sir. Brinda ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you is more than good manners. It's a good specialty. So now I invite Selvi.S.Sowmiya of ADC to propose the vote of thanks. Great things are possible and wonders can be created with the word called thanks. To acknowledge our deep sense of gratitude. Correspondent Bharat Vidya Shiromani, Dr.Vasantha Sudhanandhen ma'am. I thank you ma'am. Our beloved Chief Guest, Dr. Senior Lieutenant Sree GUNASEKAR sir, I thank you sir. Our college well-wisher, Mr.M.V.Deivasigamani sir, Sree Jewellers Erode, I thank you sir. Principal Dr.M.Ramesh sir, I thank you sir. HOD of EC Department R. Mohan sir, I thank you sir. Dr. G.Rubashri sir, Associate Professor, I thank you sir. Program Organizer A.P.GOBENATH sir, Assistant Professor of EC Department, I thank you sir. Program Coordinator G. Vidya ma'am, Assistant Professor of EC Department, I thank you ma'am. Welcome Address G.Rubashri, third year EC Department, I thank you. Chief Guest Introduction by R.THAMIZHARASAN, third year EC Department, I thank you. After by R.THAMIZHARASAN, second year EC Department, I thank you. And I thank various department HOD, teaching and non-teaching faculties, and students of various departments. I thank you all.
Sir,
Thank you, Soumya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. A lot of resources, sir. But due to time concern, we will short it, sir. Definitely, in the future. Definitely.
The PPT, sir, you can give it to all, sir.
Sure, sir. I will do, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all participants and our management. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
அண்ணா வணக்கங்கண்ணா, சொல்லுங்கண்ணா. சரிங்கண்ணா. ஆனா முத மாடி போனீங்கன்னா விஸ்வநாதன் சார் இருப்பாங்கண்ணா. முத மாடிங்கண்ணா. முத மாடி போனோன்னே அங்க ரைட் சைடு வலது பக்கங்கண்ணா. அந்த ரூம் போனீங்கன்னா அங்க ஃபார்ம் குடுப்பாங்க. வெரிஃபை பண்ணுவாங்கண்ணா. சரிங்க. நன்றிங்க.